This is my last song I write about you. I need to move on, I think you should too.